Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the OneFuel token. Now the OneFuel token is live for pre-sale on their webpage right now at onefuel.io. We're going to go over the information on this token, talk about how you can get it. We're also going to look for any audits and check to see if there's any potential warnings or red flags involved with this ICO. And we're going to do all that in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. So you can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it says here that they have the problem statement. So what they're trying to solve here is complexity of transactions, high fees, security risks, privacy concerns, and lack of financial integration. So OneFuel's solution, it says OneFuel addresses these challenges head on by offering a comprehensive wallet solution that simplifies cryptocurrency transactions, enhances security and privacy, and integrates seamlessly with traditional financial systems and empowers users to trade directly with one another. Through the combination of innovative features and cutting-edge technology, OneFuel transforms the user experience, making it as simple as possible and selecting a coin and letting the wallet handle the rest. Simplified transactions. The hallmark of OneFuel is its one-click solution, which allows users to select the coin that they want to buy or transact with, while the wallet takes care of all the back-end processes. And this includes selecting the optimal blockchain network, handling cross-chain transactions, finding the best exchange rates, and ensuring that the transaction is completed with the lowest possible fees. And most importantly, users only need to hold OneFuel for any transaction regardless of the network. No more juggling multiple cryptocurrencies. And this automation removes the complexity that typically burdens users, providing a seamless and intuitive experience. Now, OneFuel leverages state-of-the-art cryptographic techniques to ensure that users' assets are secure and their transactions are private. So features like disposable wallets and an inbuilt mixer enable users to transact without revealing their identities or transaction histories, protecting them against tracking and malicious attacks. The wallet's multi-layered security architecture includes advanced encryption, multi-signature support, and regular security audits to safeguard users' assets against a wide range of threats. Also, peer-to-peer exchange. So the OneFuel wallet includes an integrated P2P exchange that allows users to trade cryptocurrencies directly with one another without the need for a centralized intermediary. So this feature enhances security, reduces trading fees, and allows for greater privacy as transactions occur directly between users. And additionally, the P2P exchange supports cross-chain trading, enabling users to trade assets across different blockchains seamlessly, all while just holding OneFuel. Financial integration. So OneFuel bridges the gap between cryptocurrencies and traditional financial systems by offering virtual and physical debit cards that allow users to spend their digital assets just like fiat currencies. Now the wallet automatically converts crypto to fiat at the point of sale, ensuring that users can use their assets in everyday transactions without the need for manual conversions or delays. Also, secure cold storage. For users who prioritize security, OneFuel offers advanced cold storage solutions that combine the highest level of asset protection with ease of access. By using secure element chips and multi-signature protocols, OneFuel ensures that assets stored in cold storage are safe for both digital and physical threats while still being accessible when needed. And lastly, AI-powered features. OneFuel integrates artificial intelligence to enhance the user experience by automating routine tasks, optimizing transaction costs, and providing personalized insights. These AI-driven tools help users make informed decisions, manage their portfolios more effectively, and stay ahead of the market trends. So you can find their webpage at onefuel.io. Over there, you can also find a full white paper. Now, it does say they have an audit here, so let's see if we can actually find an audit. Now, it says security and compliance, security protocols. I don't actually see a link to an audit anywhere. It does say they have been audited. So in their frequently asked questions, it said that this token does have a audit somewhere. Now I saw this I saw this pre-sale advertised in an article from Analytics Insight. This has also been featured in investing.com and the News Crypto. They have a Telegram, a Instagram, and a Twitter. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here as usual so you guys can easily find this project. But if you go to onefuel.io, they have here they're in stage 3 of their pre-sale right now. You can connect your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet or any one of those wallets there. There's all sorts of different currencies here. You have to open an account, unfortunately, though, create a password with your email and all this type of stuff here, which I don't really like when pre-sales do that. Because, you know, they're claiming to be, you know, you could use a mixer and be anonymous and all this stuff, but then they want you to submit your information to get involved with the pre-sale. Not really a fan of that, but besides all the stuff I mentioned, they have the inbuilt mixer, they have the P2P exchange, they have the AI-powered features, the cold storage. You can get a crypto card, it says. Tokenomics, 50% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 13% community treasury, 11% liquidity providers, 5% ecosystem incentives, 5% team, 4% staking rewards, 4% trading rewards, 4% airdrops, 4% strategic partnerships. So it says, why invest in the pre-sale? For exclusive pre-sale bonuses, lowest token price, secure cold storage solutions, cross-chain and P2P transactions. Now, again, in there, if you scroll all the way down to their frequently asked questions, it says, is OneFuel secure? And it says, the OneFuel smart contract is rigorously be audited and successfully passed one of the top auditing firms. And it doesn't even tell you what firm and where is the audit. So that's an issue that I'm having here with this pre-sale, is that they say that there is an audit. They don't tell you what type of audit. So you can't even go to the webpage and search. Like if it was a Solid Proof audit, you could go to Solid Proof's webpage and search OneFuel in the search bar. But since I don't know what it is, I can't even look it up. So that is a problem. I don't see it on their white paper either. And they have a whole compliance and security section, but they don't even have their audit linked on there either. So you can check this all out here. Whitepaper.onefuel.io is where I'm looking in their document section, and I don't see an audit anywhere. So just definitely take this pre-sale with a grain of salt, because I can't even check to see if, you know, their audit is passed or not. Their Twitter here at OneFuel_ has a link to their webpage right there where you are going to find the pre-sale. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about OneFuel? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.